It's a beautiful morning in Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's my first time in here. Now we have to pay for the hotel. Apparently there is a free breakfast in this place. The breakfast was good despite of lots of smokers inside, but I would like to get some more coffee. So we just arrived to the downtown and parked our car. It was €5 flat, maybe not the best price, but it's okay. So here's the beautiful environment. We decided to stop for a little bit to get some coffee and desserts, and here's a very beautiful place with the fountain. I got something very special called Bosnian coffee, which I thought it's a Turkish coffee. It has this thing which contains coffee inside, so it has this thing which looks like Kravice, it's like a sugar-ish thing. Then this, whoa. Very good. I also got a typical baklava from Bosnia. I would need to share it with my friend who got fruit salad. And now you can hear the call for prayers since we are in the Muslim part of Bosnia. And they have different clocks, so you can hear 2 or 3 of imams singing simultaneously. Finally arrived at the most recognizable thing of this city, which is the old bridge. It's maybe not so old because it was destroyed during the war, now it's got rebuilt it. Now we are heading back to our car and we are planning to go to that mountain. Our small bridge before we arrive to our car. Hello. We've just arrived on the top of that mountain and there is a big cross, which means it's like a Catholic part of the city. And we want to see the views. I think it's quite a beautiful view. And it's time to go to the waterfall, which is another attraction of Herzegovina. And it's very cold, it's winter. As you can see, everything is in the snow. Bottom up. Here is the real waterfall. And it's kind of rainy. It's time to drive again. Just arrived at this place called Blagaj Tekija. Got a new friend. Can we keep the puppy? It's $2.50 to enter. Very nice house. It's pretty much an equivalent of monastery, but in Muslim culture. There. Hello. He's living here. We returned back to Mostar because we are super hungry and we are looking for some food. We went to the same restaurant and I decided to get the same coffee. We got a traditional plate of different things. This is cevapcici, potato, I don't know what it is, meat, onion, dolma, paprika with rice. It was really nice dinner. Best one, right? Delicioso. The best one and the cheapest in this trip. Only €20 for one very big plate, coffee and beer. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.